In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing or not visible files in Google Drive. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to googledrive.com and make sure you are already logged into your account so you can access your files. If a file suddenly disappears or you accidentally delete something, start by clicking Trash on the left sidebar. Google Drive keeps deleted files here for 30 days before they are permanently removed. At the top right, click the Trash Date option and adjust the sorting. Switch between oldest to newest or newest to oldest so you can better identify when the file might have been removed. If you do not see your file here, it may have been deleted more than 30 days ago or permanently removed by the owner. If you find the file, right-click on it and click Restore. If you need to restore multiple files, hold Control on your keyboard, then click each file one by one to select them, then right-click and choose Restore. The files will return to their original location. Next, click the Search and Drive bar at the top of the screen. Type part of the file name slowly. As you type, matching results will appear based on what is stored in your drive. Click the Search Options icon on the right side of the search bar. This opens advanced filters where you can refine your search by file type, owner, or last modified date. Now click the search bar again and type is, then colon, then unorganized. Add a space, then type owner, then colon, then me. Press enter. This will display orphaned files that still exist but are no longer inside a folder. If results appear, right-click any file and click Move To. Then select My Drive so it becomes easy to locate later. Next, click My Drive on the left sidebar. Then click the info icon at the top right. Switch to the Activity tab to review actions like file moves, renames, or deletions. Open your Gmail inbox and in the search bar, type Google Drive or type the file name. Open any email that contains a file link to access it directly. If you still cannot find the file, contact the file owner. If your access was removed or the file was moved, it will not appear until it is shared again. Click Shared with Me on the left sidebar to check files that others shared with you. Then click Recent to quickly view files you recently opened or edited. Finally, confirm you are using the correct Google account, since files may not appear if you are logged into a different one. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.